Hello guys, morning,
Morning.
everyone. Um, Today we are talking about our uh, a new project for this year because summer is coming, so we have some ideas for the next season. I am Isabella, he's Kevin. I am chemist to Cobra, and Kevin is CMO. No, CMO. Yes, to Cobra. So our slogan is "Go
Sorry.
to natural." That's fine. Can go.
Okay, hi everyone. What is Cobra? Cobra is a new brand that specializes in the marketing products. Our products are gentle for the skin and gentle for the planet. We want to offer affordable products in the market Brazil and Colombia. Do you know what is Cobra?
Cobra in Portuguese, it's the same like snake.
A snake, and also means co from Colombia and bra from Brazil. Uh, for for this campaign, we will associate with Mugu. Mugu is an Australian brand that offer products natural, no irritating, suitable for everybody, quality and family first. They don't test on animals.
So today we are talking about sunscreen. It's a coincidence because it's kind of skincare also, but we decided talking about sunscreen because it's a problem and here in Australia and also in Colombia and Brazil. So yes, Maria is here like shaking the head because last week Maria has a sunburn.
Sunburn.
Yes,
It's
so
Yeah.
she knows what is important. So sun exposure, it's a problem in these three countries, and research has shown a clear link between childhood sun exposed and the development of skin cancer and adulthood. We have two kinds of radiations, UV and UVA and UVB. So the UVB is the main problem for damage of the skin, and UVA is related with cancer. So about this phrase here, this research, we know it's so vulnerability of developing skin for kids, and it's important because they need to use a natural product because their skin is so sensitive. And also how it's another thing it's important is history of sunburns because how much you get a sun, the probability you get a cancer in the future is higher. Skin age is another problem because our skin it's damaged with the sun, and if you get sun so a lot of time or like consecutive, your probability to get cancer is also higher. And so the solution this problem is less aggressive products or sunscreens.
Okay. One of the questions is Colombia and Brazil are both tropical countries, so we have a lot of sun hours during the day, during the year. So we are really exposed to the sun every day, and we have many risks for catch a cancer, skin cancer. Why the people most used sunscreens in Colombia and Brazil. Do you use in your life sunscreen?
Yeah.
Nice.
Sometimes.
You know, of course.
Sometimes.
So, why? First of all, we are exposed here in Australia, in special, and Colombia and Brazil, to high levels of UV radiation. Um, in Colombia and Brazil, we had some parts that have a high altitude. So if you are in the mountains or something like that, you have more risk. And also the skin type. If you have a light skin, you have more risk. But also, if you don't have light skin, you have darker skin, you must to use sunscreen, right? Um, there are some stats for the cutaneous melanoma per 100,000 people. In Australia, Australia and New Zealand are the countries with the greatest case of cutaneous melanoma. The average in the world is 3.2, and in Colombia and Brazil is a little bit less, yeah. But it's because we don't have light skin.
Okay, now I'm talking about Mogo sunscreen. Mogo is a company from Australia, as Kevin already said, and they produce sunscreens and products for skin. It's kind for more natural. They use a lot of products from cows here in Australia, like milk and also some proteins and everything to use in the skin. And they have a special product from babies and adults using a natural sunscreen. So this product is based with zinc based SPF 40 sunscreen. So why is so important or why is so special this product? Because zinc, oxide of zinc, it's a product, it's mineral, and this product can be a physical barrier because it's a mineral with filter that acts a physical barrier on the skin, and also this mineral has a broad spectrum protection, so he can guard against both UVB rays and also UVA rays too. And here we can a special thing because we have problems from babies with sensitive skin, so we need to use a product that has one spectrum so long, and it's not so common. You have a mineral like that, so that's why in sunscreens common in Brazil and in Colombia, they use chemicals with zinc oxide, but here in Mongo they didn't use. So low irritation risk, unlike some chemical filters. For example, zinc oxide has a low potential to cause skin irritation or allergies, make it sustainable for babies and children with sensitive skin. And also they have chemical-free label, so they don't contain the traditional chemical filters found in conventional sunscreens.
Market. The market in Colombia and Brazil is expected to grow significantly for some factors like increasing awareness of the danger of the sun, rising disposable incomes, growing urbanization, and increasing tourism. in our countries. Nowadays, the market in Colombia is around 100 millions, but it's expected to reach 150 millions by 2025. Nowadays in Brazil, the market is around 200 millions, but it's expected to reach 300 millions by 2025. Colombia and Brazil market nowadays is dominated by companies such as Johnson & Johnson, L'Oreal, and Unilever. However, the local brands are growing as well. Prices. We investigate our competences. The most used is Neutrogena. The price in Colombia is 67,000 in Colombian pesos. In Brazil, 179 reais. We wanna build the competence with our product with a price of 21, almost 22 Australian dollars. So our product will offer almost the same price in Colombia. If you check the competence, our product is the cheapest, right? So our product is around $22. Our competence are offering the products in almost $26, and in Brazil, 56. We use an analysis or a SWOT analysis. What is our strength? We are offering a competitive price. We are sustainable. In my opinion, we are a lovely team, and we are offering a differentiated product. What are our weaknesses? First of all, is a new product. Sometimes it's difficult to introduce a new product in the market. And also we have to compete with big fish in the market like L'Oreal, La Roche-Posay, Neutrogena. Opportunities. Colombia and Brazil have a big population. Both countries have around 250 millions of people. Sorry. And also we are in development. We are development countries, so our incomes are increasing every time and fast. Threats, cultural fits, or cultural a little bit difference between Colombia, Brazil, and Australia. Our economies are weak, so we are growing, but sometimes the economy also fall fast, and nowadays the incomes are low.
About imports, yes, thank you. We have some requirements that the product must to have, and we already know that this product is approved for Anvisa. It's the organ like approved products, cosmetic products in Brazil, and also in BIMA. It's the same company, the same institute that approve cosmetic products in Colombia. So we don't have a lot of requirements about sunscreens in Colombia and Brazil to import. So we think it's like we can just fill the forms and request this import. Another thing is about tax and fees. So import tax for sunscreens is 0 in Brazil and in Colombia, and we would only have to pay consumption importation and circulation taxes on industrialized products. That's the same tax Alex already said. And in Brazil, you have also for buy things that is industrialized. And another thing, we know that Mugu is available to adapt to Spanish and Portuguese, their products to sell in other countries. It's because we have with them one reliable supplier, because they already had established business in the United States, Europe, Ireland, and also in Malaysia. So they have sellers in these countries, and we wanna be in Brazil and in Colombia.
Marketing. We have a plan to launch our product in our markets. First of all, we wanna create a landing space with an e-commerce for the to be able to the people buy our products online. Next, we wanna launch ads in social networks like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And then we wanna assessing the results to do the fit with the market, and also relaunch new marketing based in our last results. For this, we wanna hire to Cristiano Ronaldo. Why Cristiano Ronaldo? We was thinking in Neymar, but Neymar nowadays is involved in so many polemic stuff. So we think Cristiano Ronaldo have fit with us. First of all, we have a global brand. He is recognized in the entire world. He has a positive image. He have a versatility image as well, and he do brand fit with us because he is really healthy. He speaks Portuguese, Spanish, and English. It's really important for us as well. And he is a family person, so he shares our values. And the most important, he is handsome. And another stuff, he can help us in the future in future business in the Middle East countries that share similar some problems.
So for us, as a conclusion, I think we really believe that this product could be a success in Brazil and also in Colombia, because it's already successful here in Australia. So we have some testimonials here, and it's real testimonials from the website. And they said here, basically, the order was so surprised. They really approved the product. And here, this couple, they say they also have problems with sunscreens here in Australia because they have an issue in the skin. And he said that I have not had only single problem using mobile products. My skin has never felt so good in 46 years. I will be recommending mobile to anyone and everyone I can. And in fact, I'm going to let my doctors know. Thank you so much. Mobile is my savior. And also, this mother, she said, we are first product introduced to your products 4 years ago when your daughter was born. A friend sent us a baby care parcel of a few of your products. After reading your website thoroughly, we start using them for our baby. 4 years later, we now use your products exclusively for the whole family. We love all of them. So we really believe this product will be successful in Brazil and also in Colombia. Now we want to know your opinion. So Thank you, gracias, obrigado, arigato. I don't know.
We are glad to reply your question.
Any questions? Brilliant presentation. Very well researched.
I saw that the price in Brazil is the double of the other countries. Do you think that it's a good market if you do in Brazil? Why not only in Colombia?
No. The price is for current competitor. We will introduce our product with the same price, $22. The competitor nowadays are offering the product in $56. So we are offering the best product with the less than the half price.
But you don't include your shipment and things like this. You can't offer in the same price because you need to think about shipments, taxes, and actually in Colombia they don't have UBT for sunscreen, but we don't have taxes with the for sunscreens.
I didn't understand what you're saying.
Okay, I gotcha. We are offering the same price because we will buy a large quantity. So Mogu are offering a discount for large order.
Yeah, they already do that for other countries.
Yeah.
So they say we have best product, best price to new sellers in the new countries. But we already, yes, you're right, because we don't know exactly the price. We didn't get this information, but we believe could be possible because it's already possible in other countries.
I think it's pretty possible in Brazil because the sunscreen was really expensive in Brazil.
Yes.
But Colombia, the thing was changing because the taxes was high.
About the tax is zero. It's just about transport, just about tax for importation. But we need to pay another tax, like for example, what you have already said, and also for consumption too. So they have other tax related to import products, but we don't know exactly what is.
The cost of taxes was the most important.
Yeah.
This is so expensive for sunscreens.
Okay.
That was brilliant. Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, Maria.
Maria.